Good morning, everybody. We are back in San Antonio. We are ready to go pick up our parts from the shop. He said that the harmonic balancer wasn't there yet, but we can go pick that up anytime in the Mazda. So we're gonna grab our motor mounts and get in the truck and head on over to the shop. That's where y'all do the balancing.
Yeah, this is the balancing. It's an older machine, but it's got a sensitivity that goes down. It's so sensitive, I have to have them close the door. I went ahead and got these in the rods, standard extra clamps.
Okay.
The reason is when I had it on the machine, I remembered that the rod journals that have 8/10 thousandths from low side to high side.
Okay.
These are a little bit over the split the metal. Every line 0 to 1, that's 1/1000th.
Perfect.
So what I like to see on these 302s is main bearings 2526.
2526?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's more thinking of racing. It can be a little tighter.
Okay.
You know, if you use a lighter oil. I don't want you to set it up loose, then run 0W30.
No.
pick the right oil for the application.
Okay.
Yeah, this will be 63 foot-pounds.
63. Okay.
Yeah. See, that's where the sanding was to lighten.
To get it balanced.
Yeah, maybe to take, 1 gram, 2 grams off of. When we balance them, we weigh this in first. Then we go to total weight and do removal here to get total weight right. Sometimes you get into removal and you're boring the end. Oh, okay, well, that's factory chamfered. There may be pins that, but tell me that ain't a badass piston.
That is awesome.
Coated ringland. This thing, when you have it together and you put a ratchet on it to rotate it, you're going to think, I don't know how many motors you've built before.
3 or 4.
Yeah, okay. This is going to feel better than anything you've ever had. I just took that you wanted a good motor.
That's what I want. Yes, sir.
And
absolutely.
Exceptional, not
crazy. And I'm not trying to break this block, we're going stock block here.
But what's going to help that stock block is this internally balanced steel frame.
That's what I've been reading. If I'm not mistaken, you can rev it a little higher. It doesn't have vibrations that are going to wear out bearings.
Do you actually have cam selection already?
I bought for half of the price, brand new. It's I think it's a comp cam XFI, but it's got a 579.
Yeah, okay.
Lift with a good duration. I think 114 on the lobe separation.
Yeah, okay.
And I got EFI to run all that, so it's got to be computer controlled.
And you've got the bigger injectors.
Right, exactly. They'll handle up, I think, 600 horsepower.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, I mean, the whole system as it is going to swap over from the 306 and go on the 331.
Okay. Yeah, look, this is a shorter piston pin, which makes it lighter.
Of course.
And what it does, it helps it rev like a sewing machine.
Real quick.
I mean, we've cut drag out, we've cut weight out.
Oh, that is amazing.
If you get ring gap right.
Oh yeah, that's another good question. What kind of ring gap do I want to run on these things?
I'll write it on here. Yeah, this is a badass little ring. Low drag. And what you do, if the cylinder were up, you just push it in, then rotate it. And then you got to square it in the block.
And what I can get a squaring tool, or I can.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Matter of fact,
Could I?
This is different type of squaring tools.
If I could just, yeah, get a piston, turn it upside down with a ring on it, that would hold it flat, right?
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you just have to have it square. Measure it. I'm going to write what I would set it up at.
Please.
Yeah, you're doing. I would say on the smooth, I'd probably do 17 on the top and 19 on the second.
17 on the top, 19 on the second.
Yeah, I think that'd be a good for your application.
Excellent. Perfect. I can definitely do that.
Yeah.
I might end up coming back to see y'all for another set of rings or something if I mess one up.
Well, and it happens. All I can say is enjoy the journey. See the lightning holes? But it doesn't go all the way through. It's still solid in the middle of here.
To keep it strong.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
If you want,
Oh, yeah.
you see, you know, on the rotation side, see how it's rounded?
Yes, sir.
You know, and that'll help cut windage. You know, they do it, I think, yeah, front and back on these. See these? You know how it's rounded? It'll go through all better. That's the balancing process right there.
Wow, just removal, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, this looked like this. It was just solid, and, you know, because of the weight of your parts.
Very cool. So I'm waiting on a zero balance harmonic balancer, and then I need to get a flywheel too.
Yeah,
It's zero
the
balance.
flywheel's probably going to come in any minute. I wouldn't ever do it with the block, but you could easily, this is capable of 700-800 horsepower.
Oh wow, yeah, I can't do that on the block.
Oh no, but I'm just saying, this helps the weak block.
Make it stronger. Now,
Yeah,
should I put I was looking into getting a girdle.
a stabilizer.
Yeah.
A 302.
You think it would help?
I think it's a Band-Aid.
Okay.
I personally feel like it's a Band-Aid. I think you could just put an ARP bolt in there. So all you're worried about is vertical oil clearance. Preferably, boy, you know, if you can have 2.1 to 2.3 on the rod, I'll write that on.
Please.
All the oil scraper stuff, if you want to sit down and trim a plate, that's extremely good. I guess you're going to put like a Canton oil pan.
I don't know what I'm going to run because it's going in the Ranger. I had to get the dual sump oil pan for the Ranger, and I don't even know if that stock oil pan is going to clear this crank with the bigger stroke. So it's going to be.
It will, but you want to put a 7-quart pan and keep the oil further away from that.
Right.
Regardless,
Right.
It'll help it rev faster. It won't churn up and.
Not having to slosh through oil
Yeah, right.
for every rotation.
Yeah.
Big ol'.
Rear sump, you know, it's got clearance for the oil pump.
I think that'll fit in the Ranger.
If that'll fit, I know exactly what to get. Yeah, if you do a windage tray, seemed like to me that there's certain part number of oil pans take a windage tray. Windage tray is for the money. It may not be the most for, but in your but in every application, it's a benefit because you're controlling
That oil
flowing
slosh.
oil. You know.
Okay.
So I think get ARPs and get your bearings and stuff.
And I'll be good to go.
I still think this crank helps this block rigidity internally balanced more than.
No, that's good advice. That's what I'm looking for. You've been doing this for a lot longer.
That's my personal opinion.
You've been doing it for a lot longer than me, so your opinion is a lot more valid than mine or a lot of others.
Yeah.
What kind of heads should I run with those?
Oh, I would love to get you some of those AFR, the 195.
Let's do it. Let's do that. That would be fantastic.
I think I can get them for hydraulic roller cam.
what
You
I
know,
need.
we don't have to buy them and take off valve strings and change everything. I can get them with the right valve spring.
Okay.
All
So
right.
I probably just need to give you some information on my cam, and then you can give them a call.
Oh,
and stuff.
no, I know what to do.
You know exactly what to do.
Yeah,
Okay, fantastic.
if it's hydraulic roller,
It is.
we've run up to the 598 lift,
Okay.
you know, with this type of
And I'm at
connection.
579, so yeah, that's with Welland.
Yeah, I know exactly what.
And then I'll have to get some lifters.
Yeah, lifters, and then, we get the spider kit,
Okay.
the lifter.
We don't need some
I-
retrofit link, nothing or other like that. just
No,
the
you
regular.
don't need tie bar.
Okay, good.
Yeah, no, this was a hydraulic roller block.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, no, you're good.
So I'm good to go. Just get that spider set up, get the regular lifters.
Yeah, right, yeah.
But those pistons are set up to run those bigger valves and everything. And
Oh, absolutely.
okay,
Yeah,
fantastic.
that's what's so cool about this package. I had these custom made, and they were probably another $200 or $300.
Oh, that's not
and
bad.
you sit there and look at this custom here
Yes, sir.
for the ring package, the piston pin, the weight. You know,
It's gonna be a bad little motor.
if you get this ring gap right and that vertical oil clearance, I'll get you a stock high pressure 302 pump.
Like a Melly. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what I'll
yeah, M68A.
Right there.
Yeah, that's it. Right there. Yeah. That way, yeah, we'll probably tell you to run 15W 40 oil, you know, with
Okay.
this bearing clearance.
I don't know.
The thing up, but
Oh yeah, just force it.
I tell them 112W.
right?
The whole thing is bent. I gotta get another one.
Oh, that's why.
And when I did that, it pulled the back in a little bit for some reason. So
well,
it
that's
just grabs. Holy cow!
Yeah, I know. Nice scary.
Oh my gosh! Let me just grab this engine block for you. Holy crap! That is awesome.
Which way you want it? Straight?
All the way up, yeah. And that just showed up from UPS, huh? Perfect.
Yeah, I knew
Internal
that
balance.
would be here.
John, I really appreciate your time. Thank you for talking to me.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all are awesome.
Yeah. Enjoy these bills.
I will, and I'll be back.
We want you to be a happy camper.
I will be, definitely. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna start moving parts. That is awesome. All right. Okay, we got everything loaded up. Let's see, after everything, it was an extra $1,063 for all the parts and the machine work. I think that's fantastic. Everything's in the back. I hope it stays there. I gotta try to get home before the rain comes and get this stuff unloaded. They have instructions to purchase a bunch of other stuff to get the engine put together. And then it might be a little bit, but we have to come back for heads. He said, man, go with those AFR 195s. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get home. Okay, we made it back to the house. It was just a light drizzle, nothing crazy, but it does still look like it's gonna rain pretty hard. Maybe not hard, I don't know. Everything stayed right where we wanted it. So now we gotta get everything out the truck. The only issue is I am a messy person and I need to clean this garage. We need to get that engine block off that engine stand, clean up the workbench, get all this stuff put somewhere. I've got pipes and parts and old rear ends and two torn down motors and all sorts of crazy stuff going on in here, so I need to find some space.